This 2002 National RV Seabreeze 8341LX is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used National RV is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a mixed colors, oak cabinets interior, sleeps 5, water heater, TV antenna, skylight, external shower, LP detector, Colorado detector, stovetop burner, smoke detector, refrigerator, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2002 National RV Seabreeze 8341LX is built on a Ford Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V-10 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.